Hello, everyone. I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds, and today I'm just going to chit and chat. Chit chat. Oops, the volume was on. Sorry about that. I'm just going to chit chat a little bit while I complete my elephant for an event with Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0 on Facebook. I am doing an event with Diamonds Around You, Vivian, the hashtag Animals World DP event, and I am doing the Dreamer Design mini kits, the animal series. So right now I'm finishing up on the elephant. So let me show you what I have. So I'm using my Creations Moran tray. This was one that I won. I like Creations Moran, you all know that. A Diamond Art pen. I switch out my pens, and this week is this one. And actually, I'm working on the little dash. So far, I'm not liking the way this elephant's coming out, but you can definitely see the image on the camera. So I guess that's good. You know what I mean? At least you can see it. So my friend Jessica and I have Pinky promised that we weren't going to buy any more diamond art till we completed 10 kits. Once we complete 10 kits, then we were allowing ourselves to buy diamond painting kits. Now I'm talking about full-size diamond painting kits, like ones you would get from Dreamer Design or Diamond Art Club or Amazon Diamond Art Club store or a D-Stash, any of those. But Hobby Lobby has released some Christmas canvases, and Michaels has put some summer stuff on clearance. And you all know I'm looking for the Lemons canvas by Make Market. So we're going to go shopping today. After I turn in my heart monitor, I'm going to turn in my heart monitor today. Today is the last day for it. Yes, I can finally sleep without worrying about it hitting my left breast when I lay on my side. So it will be nice to sleep a little more relaxed. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. But I really haven't had any episodes since I got it. So I hope they are able to get some information from the monitor, but we'll see. Like I said, I don't know how much they actually were able to get because I only had like 2 episodes. So maybe that's enough. But we'll see. And they weren't long episodes. So I'm grateful. I'm very grateful, don't get me wrong. So yeah, so I have to go do that, and my nephew is swearing in the Air Force today, but I can't do both things. So I have to turn this in. I don't know what it entails. Last time when I picked it up, I had to actually see a nurse. I couldn't just pick it up. So I'm thinking dropping it off will be the same way. So we'll see. So yeah. So hopefully we will find the lemons from Michael's. We're going to go to Destin because I know the Fort Walton store doesn't have it. So I know that for a fact. I've been there a couple of times, and I have my friend who works at Michael's keeping an eye out for it for me. And she said they're not getting any more. And this was probably a month ago. They weren't getting any more summer items. Once they were sold out, they were sold out. They weren't going to replenish them. But now they're getting ready to put the Christmas stuff out. Oh, Halloween. Sorry, not Christmas. Michael's is getting ready to put Halloween out. And you all know Hobby Lobby doesn't do Halloween, so they won't have any Halloween items in their store. So, which is okay with me. I don't typically like a lot of the Halloween canvases unless they're cute pumpkins, jack-o'-lanterns, that kind of stuff. But I typically don't do Halloween either. I have an aunt who absolutely loves Halloween and everything about it, so she loves to decorate Halloween. My daughter-in-law too. She loves Halloween. I'm not a big Halloween kind of person. So, but sometimes Michael's does have a cute one for Halloween. So, we'll see. See what we find. Oh, go down. Thank you. Typically, our Hobby Lobby is always the last to the game, so we'll see if we find anything. Definitely let you know. Okay. I need to multi-place a little bit. Well, not even a lot, and I messed it up. So I can multi-place up to 6, no problem. Yeah. What about you? How many can you multi-place at a time? What's your sweet spot for multi-placing? And if you don't multi-place, try it. Try it. You don't have to do it forever. You can just try it, and if it's not for you, it's not for you. And Crafty Chef Diamond likes to do one at a time. She doesn't multi-place, and that's fine. That's her sweet spot. So, yep, you have to do what is best for you. And I made a rhyme. I made a rhyme. Let's see. Well, that side of the elephant is done. That's not too bad. I mean, now that the eyes are placed, it's better. But I do like elephants. And I said on my live that we should do an elephant event. I don't have an elephant canvas, but we could call it kind of like what Amy Sparkling Diamond Painting is doing, Animals Around the World. We could do animals, Florida animals, or zoo animals, because you always see elephants at a zoo. At least I do. Do you see elephants at a zoo? Has anybody been to Africa and gone on a African safari and seen the African elephant down there? Have you gone on a safari? They have one in Alabama. They have one in Georgia. They are so much fun. I love safaris. Safaris are a blast. I like to do kids' activities when we go on vacation. So when we go somewhere, I always search kid activities and, like zoos, aquariums, I don't know, things that kids like to do. I love to do kid stuff because to me they're fun. Now, my husband likes to do museums, and my husband, well, we got a drill. My husband will, he likes aquariums and museums. He likes museums. And he will read every sign. So, not me. I like to look at the pictures. I like to look at the exhibits. But I mean, if it's really interesting to me, I'll read it. But I'm more of a visual. That's why I like zoos and aquariums. You can just look at the animals and creatures. And if I want to know what kind it is, I'll just read the description on what they are. But I like to just look at things. Maybe because of my job, I did so much reading as a librarian. I just don't want to read anymore, guys. I'll read instruction manuals and stuff like that, but I really haven't even read a book unless it's a kid's book. I do read kids' books, and I'm reading the Magic Treehouse series with my grandson right now, and he's loving it. So, yes, he's 12. He's going in the 6th grade. I know it's really the 3rd grade reader book, but we're working on comprehension, and he absolutely likes it, and he gets it, and he understands it, and we're going to move on from there after this 2nd book. So right now we're reading the one where they go to the moon. We just got done with the Titanic one, go figure, and now we're going to the moon. So, all right, well, I hope you like this little quick, short whip and chat. Here is my elephant, and he did kind of turn out okay, wouldn't you say? What do you think? I've asked you many questions. Pick one to answer. If you made it this far, put an elephant in the chat, will you? Thank you. Go pamper yourself and find a mini kit that you like to do. And remember, be kind. Have a wonderful day.